Dust the dough with semolina and transfer it to your work surface. Then sprinkle a little flour over the top. First, gently press the dough with your fingertips from the center, pushing the air toward the edges, and then stretch it out, just as I show in the video. Spread about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce over the pizza and distribute it evenly. Sprinkle the pizza with mozzarella, then arrange the smoked Speck ham on top. Finally, add the Gorgonzola cheese and drizzle with olive oil. Remember to leave the edges of the dough bare without any toppings. Bake the pizza for about 1 to 1.5 minutes at approximately 460 degrees Celsius, 860 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, remove the pizza from the oven and place it on a wire rack so that the cheeses can set slightly. After about 2 minutes, transfer the pizza to a plate, cut it into slices, and enjoy. Buon appetito!